Maximizing comfort, ramp. Your ResMed AirSense 11 offers features that were designed to maximize your comfort. The ramp setting allows you to fall asleep comfortably by starting at a low pressure and gently ramping up to your prescribed pressure. The setting for ramp time is located in the My Options menu. When set to auto, your device will ramp up to your prescribed pressure only when it detects that you've fallen asleep, giving you the right air when you need it. Alternatively, if you want to take control, you can set a specific ramp time. Or if you experience the feeling of not getting enough air, you can turn the ramp time to off.
Interested in this product? You can purchase or rent this item and many others from Alpine Home Medical. Visit any of our 11 locations to get yours today. Financing is available, and we accept insurance on many of our products. We're here when you need us.